Welcome to our comprehensive presentation on real estate investment for beginners, harnessing AI for success. Today, we're embarking on an insightful journey into the world of real estate investment, where we'll explore the transformative role of artificial intelligence. This technology is not just a trend, it's a powerful tool reshaping the landscape for investors, especially beginners. Before we carry on with the video, please hit the subscribe button to help nudge the algorithm so others will be able to find us on the vast ocean of videos on YouTube. Real estate investment is an exciting venture, offering opportunities for wealth building and financial freedom. However, it's a field that requires strategic planning, market knowledge, and an understanding of the risks involved. In this digital age, AI is revolutionizing real estate investment. It's not just about data analysis, it's about gaining a competitive edge through advanced technologies. AI provides unprecedented insights into market trends, property valuations, and investment opportunities. Let's delve into some AI tools that are changing the game. First up, Zillow Zestimate, an AI-driven tool offering real-time property valuation. Then there's Redfin, which uses AI to provide market trends and property listings. These tools are invaluable for making informed investment decisions. For property selection, Roofstock uses AI to identify lucrative rental properties, while HouseCanary offers predictive market analytics. When it comes to risk assessment, CoreLogic provides AI-powered risk management solutions, ensuring your investment is sound and secure. Embarking on your investment journey involves several key steps. Start by defining your goals and budget. Utilize AI tools like LoanSnap for intelligent financing options. Choose the right location with insights from AirDNA, which is great for analyzing short-term rental markets. Managing your investment can be streamlined with AI. AppFolio offers AI-driven property management solutions. For legal compliance, Kira Systems uses AI to analyze legal documents, ensuring you're always on the right side of the law. Investing in real estate is not without risks, but AI can significantly reduce them. Tools like predictive analytics from RealPage offer foresight into market fluctuations, helping you make more resilient investment decisions. Tips for successful investment with AI: succeed in AI-driven real estate investment. Embrace continuous learning. Stay updated with AI advancements through resources like MIT Real Estate Innovation Lab. Network with professionals who are also leveraging AI, and remember, patience is key in this long-term game. As we integrate AI into real estate, ethical considerations are paramount. Ensure your AI tools comply with privacy and data protection laws. Looking ahead, AI is set to introduce more innovations like virtual property tours and blockchain integration in real estate transactions. In conclusion, AI is not just enhancing real estate investment, it's redefining it. For beginners, it's a gateway to smarter, more informed investment strategies. The future of real estate investment is bright and AI-driven, offering a landscape filled with opportunities for those ready to embrace this technological revolution. Thank you for joining us for this enlightening journey into AI-powered real estate investment. We hope this presentation has equipped you with the knowledge and tools to embark on your investment journey with confidence. Remember, in the world of real estate, AI is your ally, guiding you toward success.